Hi, welcome to my channel. I am teacher Sarah. Today we are learning names and basic sounds of the English language alphabet. In my last video, I said the English language alphabet makes 44 sounds that are divided into vowels and consonants. So when I said basic sounds, I'm referring to the sound that each of these letters makes. This is because, as I explained in my last video, some of these letters have more than one sound, while some others are silent. And I give examples of the silent sounds and the letters that have more than one sound. So if you have not watched that video, please go back and watch it. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other video. So let's start our lesson for today. We are starting with the first letter of the alphabet in English language, which is the letter A. This is A. Letter A says A. A. This is letter B. B. Letter B says B. 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 This is letter C. Letter C. C says K. 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 This is letter D. D. Letter D says D. 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 This is letter E. Letter E makes the sound eh, eh, eh. This is letter F. Letter F makes the sound f, f, f. Letter G. This is letter G. Letter G makes the sounds g, g, g. This is letter H. Letter H makes the sounds. This is letter I. Letter I. Letter I makes the sound I, I, I. This is letter J. J, J. This is letter K. Letter K makes the sound K, K, K. This is letter L. Letter L makes the sound L, L, L. This is letter M. Letter M. Letter M makes the sounds This is letter N. Letter N. Letter N makes the sound This is letter O. Letter O makes the sounds O, O. This is letter P. Letter P makes the sounds P, P, P. This is letter Q. Letter Q makes the sound Q, Q, Q. This is letter R. Letter R makes the sound R, R, R. This is letter X. Letter S makes the sound S, S. This is letter T. Letter T makes the sound T, T, T. This is letter U. Letter U makes the sound This is letter V. Letter V makes the sound This is letter W. Letter W makes the sound W, W, W. This is letter X. X. Letter X makes the sound X, X, X. This is letter Y. Y. Letter Y makes the sound Y, Y, Y. This is letter Z. Letter Z makes the sound Z, Z, Z. Good. So these are the sounds that the 26 letters of the English alphabet makes. The basic sound that every letter of English. So please don't forget to subscribe and share so you don't miss out in any video that will be coming out every Sunday by 10 p.m. Subscribe. Thank you.